Have you heard about the SIT60316 Advanced Diploma of Hospitality Management offered by Holo Education Services?
Yes, I have. It's a course designed for those who want to advance their hospitality management career.
That's right. Did you know that this course covers a broad range of topics, including leadership, financial management, and marketing?
I didn't know that. That sounds like a comprehensive course.
It is. And the best part is that it's designed to be flexible, so students can study at their own pace and balance work and study.
That's great. Do you know what the career outcomes are for graduates of this course?
Graduates of this course can work in various roles in the hospitality industry, such as hotel manager, food and beverage manager, and event coordinator. And with the hospitality industry growing, the demand for qualified professionals is high.
That's impressive. Where did you get this information?
I did some research on the course and found out that it's accredited by the Australian government and industry recognized.
That's good to know. I might consider enrolling in this course to advance my career in hospitality management.
It's definitely worth considering. With the skills and knowledge you'll gain from this course, you'll be well prepared for a successful career in hospitality management.